Your dust collector might be running perfectly, and still doing a terrible job. If your workshop keeps filling with sawdust, the problem may not be the machine. It could be one of these simple setup mistakes. One of the first things to check is the filter. A clogged or overloaded filter can restrict airflow and reduce suction. If the filter is packed with fine dust, clean or replace it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Another common problem is a full collection bag or bin. When there's nowhere for more dust to go, the system can't work efficiently. Check the collection container regularly instead of waiting until it's completely full. Hose leaks are another major problem. A small gap around a connection can allow air to enter the system before the dust even reaches the collector. Check your hose connections, fittings, and seals. If air is escaping, you're losing valuable airflow. Another mistake is using a hose that's too small for the machine. Different tools require different airflow and collection setups. If the hose diameter is restricting the system, the collector may struggle to capture dust effectively. Always check the recommended setup for your specific machine. Long hose runs can create another problem. The farther air has to travel, the more resistance the system can experience. If possible, keep hose runs reasonably short and efficient. Sharp bends can also reduce airflow. A hose that makes several tight turns creates more resistance than a smooth, direct path. Try to minimize unnecessary bends. Another mistake is having too many poorly sealed connections. Every fitting, adapter, and junction is another potential leak. Keep the system simple where possible, and make sure each connection is secure. Blocked dust ports are another thing people overlook. Fine dust and chips can build up inside hoses, ports, and fittings. If suction suddenly becomes weak, inspect the entire airflow path instead of immediately blaming the collector. Another important mistake is choosing the wrong dust collection setup for the machine. A small shop vacuum and a dedicated dust collector aren't designed for exactly the same jobs. Some machines produce large chips. Others produce large amounts of fine dust. The collection system needs to be appropriate for the tool and material. And finally, don't assume bigger always means better. A powerful collector won't perform properly if the rest of the system is poorly designed. Good dust collection depends on the entire airflow path, from the machine, through the hose, through the filter, and finally into the collection container. So if your workshop is still covered in sawdust, don't immediately buy a bigger machine. Check the filter. Check the bag. Check for leaks. Check the hose diameter. Check for blockages. And look for unnecessary bends and restrictions. Sometimes the problem isn't the dust collector. It's everything connected to it. A properly planned system can make your workshop cleaner, your tools easier to maintain, and your cleanup much easier. What's the biggest dust collection problem you've dealt with? Weak suction? Clogged filter? Leaking hose? Or a machine that seems impossible to keep clean? Tell me in the comments. And subscribe for more practical woodworking tips, workshop guides, tool comparisons, and DIY projects. Thanks for watching.